Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Today's video is going to be very special because I'll be doing Alankar or Shringar for this beautiful Krishna for Krishna Janmashtami. I'll be showing you on how to do a beautiful decoration for him. And this idol is actually up for sale just in case if you want to buy it. And this idol is actually 6 inches tall, okay, if you measure it like this, and he weighs about 2 kgs. And the price of this idol is 4,100 rupees. So in case if you want to purchase this idol, then please to leave a WhatsApp message on this particular number and they'll get back to you. And yes, we'll be able to ship it anywhere in India and even outside India. And whatever face painting that you're seeing over here on Krishna, it was all done by me. And just to let you know, this idol was actually antique finish, and after washing it has become like yellow. So even you can wash it and make it look like yellow, no problem with that. So you don't have to reject this idol saying that it is not yellow finish and it has got an antique finish. And yes, this Krishna is slightly tilted and it is not exactly like what you get from the ISKCON style idols. It's going to be slightly different from the ISKCON style idols. Now without wasting much time, let me do the Shringar and show to you all on what I am going to do. So the first and the foremost thing when it comes to dressing him is putting a diaper, okay. So for that I have actually got this very tiny diaper stitched. It's slightly bigger for him, but then he's going to look really cute. And this has got a Velcro. This is not for sale, by the way. I just got it done from a local tailor, okay. So it comes with a Velcro and it fits really nicely. So let me just show you on how I fix this for him. So take the back side, okay, just in case if you also know a tailor, you can just get it done like this. So the back side of the diaper will go from here like this, and take one part of the front, fix the Velcro, and the other part of the Velcro, fix it from the other side, and that is it. We are done. And now you can see how cute he looks, right? So you can actually get this done in silk and all, like, you know, whichever color you want and whichever material you want. Now, the dress that I'm going to use for Krishna was something that I actually got it from North India. And this is how the dress is. Okay, it is actually an umbrella shaped dress which is going to look like this after I put it on Krishna. Actually, this dress is not on sale from Honara's Arts and Lifestyle, but I'm going to leave a video wherein all these materials or all these type of dresses which are available from the same seller who gave it to me. So just in case if you guys are interested, you can also purchase it from her. So this one opens just like a shirt. And that is it. We are done with draping the dress for Krishna. Okay, see how easy it was and how good it was. Many of you from North India, you would already be knowing about all this, but people in South India, it's very new for them. So that's why I'm just showing you all. Now let me put the jewelry, but before that let me put the anklets for him. And this mukut also I got it from the same person from whom I had purchased this dress. And this completes the Shringar for Sri Krishna or Laddu Gopal. Alternatively, what we can also do is we can keep a peacock feather over here for him in this mukut. So let me just try to do that now. And this completes the Shringar for Sri Krishna or Laddu Gopal in the North Indian style. So all of these, that is this dress and this mukut and this flute, all of these were purchased from the same person. I'll be leaving the WhatsApp number of the person from whom I purchased all this in the description box, just in case if you also want to buy, then you can contact them and purchase it. So I hope you all have liked this Alankar or Shringar. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.